Hello eco-warriors, we're diving into the world of conscious cleaning. Exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. Pets bring joy, love, and companionship to our lives, but they also bring along some challenges, like pet stains and odors on our carpets. If you're a pet owner, you know that maintaining a clean and odor-free home can sometimes be a bit of a struggle. However, fret not. In this video, we'll delve into effective strategies and tips for keeping your carpets spotless and smelling fresh even with your furry friends around. The challenges of pet stains and odors. Before we explore the cleaning methods, it's essential to recognize and address pet stains promptly. Pet accidents happen, and the quicker you act, the better your chances of preventing permanent damage to your carpets. Blot, don't rub. When you discover a fresh pet stain, the first instinct might be to grab a cloth and start rubbing vigorously. However, this can actually make the stain spread further into the carpet fibers. Instead, gently blot the area with a clean, absorbent cloth or paper towel. Press down firmly to soak up as much liquid as possible. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Use an effective cleaning solution. Once you've blotted the stain, it's time to treat it with an appropriate cleaning solution. For pet urine stains, a mixture of water and vinegar can work wonders. Apply it to the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, and then blot again. For other types of pet stains, consider a pet-specific enzymatic cleaner, which can break down the proteins in urine and eliminate odors effectively. Tackling lingering odors. Baking soda magic. Baking soda is a fantastic natural deodorizer. Add baking soda over the affected area and leave it for about 20 minutes. It will absorb odors effectively. Vacuum it up afterwards, and you'll notice a significant improvement in the smell. Carpet fresheners. Commercial carpet fresheners specifically designed for pet odors can also be effective. Follow the instructions on the product label and use it to freshen up your carpets. Be sure to choose a product that's safe for pets and humans alike. Regular maintenance for pet owners. Daily vacuuming. One of the most straightforward yet crucial steps in maintaining clean carpets with pets is daily vacuuming. Even if you don't see visible dirt or pet hair, regular vacuuming can prevent dirt from settling deep into your carpet fibers. Weekly deep cleaning. In addition to daily vacuuming, pet owners should consider a deeper cleaning routine on a weekly basis. This helps remove allergens, dirt, and pet dander that can accumulate over time. Use a high-quality vacuum cleaner. Invest in a vacuum cleaner designed for pet owners. These models typically come with specialized attachments and filters that are excellent at picking up pet hair and dander. Steam cleaning. Periodic steam cleaning can be incredibly effective in eliminating deep-seated odors and stains. You can either rent a steam cleaner or hire a professional carpet cleaning service to do the job for you, preventing future pet accidents. Properly train your pets. Training your pets to use designated areas for their bathroom needs is the best way to prevent future accidents on your carpets. Consistent positive reinforcement and patience are key when training your furry companions. Provide adequate outdoor time. Pets need regular exercise and outdoor time. Ensuring they have access to the outdoors and have ample opportunities to relieve themselves can significantly reduce the chances of accidents indoors. Use protective measures. Consider using rugs or carpet runners in high-traffic pet areas. These can be easily cleaned or replaced if accidents occur, saving your main carpets from potential stains. DIY versus professional cleaning services. DIY cleaning methods. Many pet owners prefer to tackle carpet cleaning themselves, especially for minor stains and regular maintenance. Here are some effective DIY cleaning methods to consider. Carpet shampooing. Carpet shampoos designed for pet stains can be found at most home improvement stores. Follow the product instructions, apply the shampoo to the stained area, and use a carpet cleaner or scrub brush to work it into the fibers. Homemade cleaning solutions. If you prefer a more natural approach, you can make a DIY carpet cleaning solution using a mixture of water and dish soap or a combination of baking soda and water. These solutions can be effective for treating smaller pet stains. Professional cleaning services. For more significant pet stains, odors, or a deep clean, hiring a professional carpet cleaning service can be a worthwhile investment. These experts have access to specialized equipment and solutions that can thoroughly clean and sanitize your carpets. Choosing pet-friendly carpets. Stain-resistant carpets. When selecting carpets for your home, consider stain-resistant options. These carpets are designed to repel liquids and prevent stains from setting in. They can be a valuable choice for pet owners looking to minimize the impact of accidents. Carpet tiles. Carpet tiles are another pet-friendly alternative. If a portion of the carpet gets stained or damaged, you can easily replace individual tiles instead of replacing the entire carpet, saving you money in the long run. Frequency of professional cleaning. While regular maintenance is crucial, it's also essential to schedule professional carpet cleaning at least once a year, even if your carpets appear clean. This deep cleaning can remove embedded dirt and allergens that household vacuums might miss. Communicate with the cleaning technician. When you hire a professional carpet cleaning service, be sure to communicate your concerns about pet stains and odors. They can tailor their approach to address specific pet-related issues effectively. Taking care of your carpets as a pet owner doesn't have to be an intimidating task. By following these tips and strategies, you can maintain clean and fresh carpets while enjoying the companionship of your beloved pets. Remember to address stains promptly, establish a regular cleaning routine, and consider pet-friendly carpet options. Whether you choose to go the DIY route or hire professionals, the goal is to create a comfortable and clean environment for both you and your furry friends. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.